welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sydney Nicole, and I like to douse my face in makeup. Today we are doing this super classic, glam, sparkly look. I mean, I don't know, it's sophisticated. I feel sophisticated. This is a super fun look for New Year's and for Christmas, honestly. It's just a super glam look. I was really inspired by my nails. I just got them done and they were super sparkly and glittery and black, so I was like, you know what? We gonna match our nails today. And then I also have this super cute necklace. I got this from Forever 21. It's just like so glamorous. I don't even know. And if you'd like to see how I created this super fun, sparkly, glam as fuck look, then please keep watching. It's not his Coke.
Yeah, he just said me out.
He doesn't drink Diet Coke.
You want that Coke?
The cat does not drink Diet Coke.
That's his. You want that Coke? Yeah, he wants it.
Calvin doesn't drink Diet Coke.
Tom, do you drink Diet Coke? Yeah. He said yeah.
No.
You said yeah, didn't you? But you don't know.
I do know. He's a cat.
No, you don't know.
Alright, first things first, the two palettes I'm using today is the Huda palette Rose Gold Remastered and then the Glitter Realm Summerita palette. I'm just using this black shade in the Summerita palette. It has a lot of glitter in it. I'm first taking Suede and Sandalwood from the Huda palettes and I'm using that as my transition shade. This is, you can do a smoky eye without the glitter and this would be the same way that I would do the smoky eye. So I'm just doing the transition shade first to take care of that a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Jet Waterproof Cream color. And this is a great base for a smoky eye. It is so smooth and soft and silky. And I just lay it down over the whole entire lid. Make sure you get super close to your lash line so there's no skin showing through. And then I go above my crease with it. This stuff never creases throughout the day. It is the bomb.com. I'm using the shade Black Truffle from the Huda palette, and I'm just packing that on top first, and then I'll start going more into the crease and going up a little bit higher and using very light pressure to blend this black up. We obviously don't want it to just be like a blob there. You want it to be nice and smoky and for it to transition and be nice and smooth and the blending to be spot on. So just keep adding a little bit of black and going in very lightly and blending it upwards. Then I'm going to take a very small blending brush and mix together Sandalwood and Cocoa. And I'm going to put that right into the crease in between the black and the transition shade we did. And then I'll go back in with black again to make sure that there was no fallout on the lid and that it still is nice and dark. Now I'm going to go into this beautiful palette from Glitter Realm. It is so stunning. I have a discount code with them that you can use. I was so shook when I used this. It's so black. It adds like more depth to this eye and the sparkles in it are just so pretty. I was really shook, honestly. This was my first time using this palette, so I was pretty excited. Oh. Then I'm going to go on the lid with this glitter shadow primer from Glitter Realm. This one is different from anything I've ever used. It's a clear consistency, so I thought that was kind of cool. And I'm also going to go in with this glitter right here. It's like a silver glitter. I'm just going to pack the primer all over and then go in with a very small brush to add the glitter because I still want the black to show through. I don't want my whole lid to totally be consumed by the glitter. So I'm using a very small brush and just tapping it all over that primer. I also go above the crease with the glitter as well. And I'm just kind of like feathering it out so it's not a harsh line. It's just like loose glitter all over. Yes, I'm gonna do the other eye. Oh, so pretty. I'm so obsessed with this look. I was like so into this. For the face, I'm using my Farsali Unicorn Essence Primer. Of course, it's my absolute favorite in the whole world. No other primer compares, in my opinion. And then I'm going to use the Farsali Skintune Blur. This one is just to smooth out them pores. I just use it in my little nose region there and on my cheeks a little bit. For foundation, I'm using my Smashbox Studio Skin. I'm in the shade 1.0. For concealer, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty concealer. This is in the shade Marshmallow. It's pretty light, but it's not as light as Whipped Cream. Whipped Cream is her lightest shade. I'm just putting this in all the normal areas and blending it out. I also clean up my eyeshadow a little bit with this as well. Then I'm going in with my Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm just doing my under eyes first. I'm gonna first bronze my whole face and then set the rest of it after I do that. I'm using my Milk Baked Bronzing Stick for this. My favorite bronzing stick ever. Look how easy it blends out. It's just so incredible. I'm obsessed with it. And for the first part of my highlight today, I'm using the Anastasia Amrezy highlight. I ended up adding another highlight on at the end, but for now, I used this one, which I really love. I think it's such a pretty highlight. I'm obsessed with it, honestly. And then I'm going in with my Marc Jacobs Blacquer Highliner, and I'm going to tightline my upper lash line. That way there is no skin showing through for our smoky eye. And then I'm going to go ahead and do it pretty dramatically on the lower lash line. We're going to smoke it out a lot, but you want to make sure you get that black liner from the very inner corner of your eye to the outer corner. And then I'm taking a small angled brush and just smoking out the liner first, and then going in and adding black shadow to it. And then I go in with my small little blending brush and I just add the dark brown to the rest of it and kind of smoke it downwards even more. Yes. It makes such a huge difference when you do the lower lash line. It's crazy. Yes, 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 yes. Then I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes with the same Anastasia highlight, and I will also highlight my brow bone. For mascara, I'm using my NARS Climax mascara. Of course, I always use it, but it's about time to switch it up because it's getting old. I'm gonna use my Lilly lashes in Mykonos today. And add a little bit more mascara. Then I'm gonna take my French Roast Ben Nye lip liner. It's a dark brown. I'm going to line my lips. We're going to be doing a red. I always love to outline my lips with a dark brown when doing red. Honestly, I use a dark brown for everything. It's my favorite color of lip liner. For my red lips today, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Uncensored Stunna Lip Paint. It's the perfect holiday red, honestly, and her formula is so bomb. And then last minute, I decided I just got this in the mail. Why not use it? It's the Northern Lights Supreme Frost Pro palette from Jeffree. I'm using the shade Alaskan Ice. It has like a green tone to it, so I was like, oh, perfect green highlight and red lips. And I mean, it's so pretty, y'all. I couldn't believe it. I was obsessed with it. I added way too much. I mean, you can't have too much highlight, but I added a lot. But that's the end of this tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure you're subscribed so you can see more of my videos, and I will catch you in my next tutorial. Bye.